Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the TetraStar puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Doug Engel. Difficulty level of the TetraStar puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to take it apart and reassemble it again. The TetraStar puzzle was 3D printed and it looks like two triangular pyramids connected together, and at first glance it looks totally impossible to take them apart. But actually the disassembling isn't that hard, but the assembling is much more difficult. If you like the TetraStar puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first we start with the disassembling. We find one of the biggest triangles and just rotate it and remove. Then you move to the next one and remove it. Then you move to the next one and then to the last one. And the first pyramid is disassembled. Now we have to take apart the next pyramid. Here we have to remove each piece. They can be very tight, so you have to try a little bit harder. And that is the disassembled puzzle. As you can see, we have 8 parts. All of them look like triangles of different kinds. But if you take a closer look, you will find that all these 3 parts are exactly the same. So to assemble it back together, you don't have to do anything special. Just assemble these 4 parts together like so. Then you flip this piece, connect them together like so. Then you connect the first and the third pieces, and then you grab the last part and just rotate it in such a way that you can connect it with the rest of the shape. So that wasn't difficult, but next we move to the difficult part. There are 4 triangles, but if you take a closer look, you will notice that the sides of these triangles are a little bit different. This one is wide, this is wide, but this one is quite thin. And this triangle has all 3 thin parts, this has 2 thin parts, and this has all wide parts. So we will start with the smallest one, and you just put it on top of the pyramid and rotate. Then you grab the second one, which has 1 wide side and 2 thin sides, and you have to put it to the pyramid in such a way that the wide part will be next to the first triangle, like that. Next we move to the next side and grab the next triangle, which has only 1 thin side, and you have to put it in such a way that the thin side will be facing this part of the pyramid, and 2 wide sides will be facing 2 other triangles. And now the last piece, you just put it on top, rotate, and the puzzle is assembled back together. And that was the solution of the TetraStar puzzle. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.